To add an animated character in Adobe Express, you would follow these steps. So on the left sidebar here, we're going to choose Media. And I'm going to click on Media. And at the top of this sidebar that opens, you'll see that there's a choice for Audio. Click on Audio. So now you'll see that there is an Animate Characters button. And this will insert the characters right here on the selected slide. And so I'm going to click on the animated characters, and that's going to open up this animate characters window. And in this window I can choose the characters that I want and the backgrounds that I want, and I can choose some different things. When I'm ready to record my voice, then I'm going to enhance the speech. By clicking this will get rid of the background noise in your classroom and such, and it'll make your recording sound a whole lot better. And so I'm going to click on the record button and record. And if you get this message, you need to allow while visiting the site. This will give the site permission to your microphone. So I'm going to click on allow while visiting the site. And it gives me a countdown. Hi, my name is Camden, and I go to Bailey Junior High. So I continue with that by clicking on Done, and then notice it's going to take just a little bit to upload, and then it might have to wait a minute to be queued up and then converted. So you can see right now it's waiting in the queue. We want to keep your recordings to less than 20 seconds if possible. Even though technically it says you can record up to 2 minutes, we've experienced problems for anything that is really longer than, let's say, 20 to 30 seconds. So I would use 20 seconds as a frame of reference there. So as this processes, it's going to sync the lips up to my voice, and it's also going to add some arm movements of the character and that kind of thing. And then you notice it's going to put that character right where I want it. Now I could have chosen a clear background, a transparent background, and I wouldn't have this. But notice I have the background that I selected, and I can click on the play here, and it would play my stuff there. And then that's how you do that. And you can add another character to the same slide, or you can go to another slide and add a character there. And that's all there is to adding an animated character in Adobe Express.